Morning, it's your old pal Lindsay here with Coyle Tools. I took a freight delivery sometime over the weekend. I don't know when because they just dropped it off in front of my garage and didn't tell me. I didn't have to sign for it, which means I didn't inspect the shipment. And if you don't inspect a freight shipment, God help you. Hang on a second, please. The phone's ringing. Anywho, the problem with receiving a freight shipment that you don't sign for or inspect is that it could be damaged, and once it's damaged and the guy in the truck drops it, you're out of luck. You're stuck with it. But this isn't a video about how to accept a freight shipment. This is a video about how am I going to get that top box on top of that bottom box all by myself. Everything looks like it came in good shape, which is a load off my mind. Because if this stuff is damaged and you don't have the freight guy here anymore, I don't know, there's no good way to remedy that. Because you can call the shipper and tell them, and they might just leave you high and dry saying, sorry, you signed for it, but I didn't sign for it. But be that as it may, everything looks like it's in good shape. I was hoping against hope that they would ship the bottom box with the casters on, but they don't, which means I got to put the casters on. So I have to get this thing turned over or released on its back and get the casters on. And it weighs a lot. Alright, well, the bottom box is ready to have the top box put on it. And I went back and forth for a while about how to do this, and I went from rigging up a hoist and lifting the top on my joists in the garage and then placing it on top, to using the lift gate on the truck, to putting the top box on and kind of lifting it up and sliding it on. But the top box isn't that heavy, and I think I can do this if I just corner block it with some styrofoam so as not to scratch it, brace the end of the box, and just slide the top on. I'm giving this about a 40% chance of working. Let's try it with a different block material. There. Now that wasn't such a chore now, was it? I could do another 3 or 4 of these things. Well, just got to clean it up right now. Load her on the truck and deliver on Wednesday. Well, there you have another day in the life of a toolman. If you enjoyed the video, kindly click the like button. And if you like the content that I give you on the channel, please subscribe. Thanks so much, and remember, use a tool. Don't be one.